put a rock in the bait bag.
Oh, perfect.
All right. Chicken and salmon. Yeah, man, drop it. We'll put one here, I'll mark it, and then we'll float. Put one above. I feel good about 60 feet, knowing that. All right, cool. Now let's go. So, I think there's room in front of us that we could probably.
Yeah, that sounds good.
One guy said 30 yards. He said he doesn't usually go closer than 30 yards. All right, here we go. What's up, everyone? We are out here crabbing. This is Jake. Met him the other day at the boat ramp. He was really cool and invited us over to their place. We spent the night over there last night. They made us breakfast. They are cool people. So we're crabbing. Jake's got 2 crab pots. The one's out behind us already. He's getting his second one rigged up. And thanks to JP, you are the man. He hooked me up with another crab pot after some weirdo stole the last one, but we won't get into that. We're catching crab today. So we've got it all baited up. I've got some salmon, salmon skeleton in there, the pink salmon that I caught the other day, and then we've got some chicken because apparently these guys love chicken. So here we go. Over there, over here. I think we're good. How deep are we? 59. 59. Golden. Here we go. Bon voyage. Maybe I should have.
Yep. Pot number 2.
Pot number 2. Away she goes. Cool. Still out here. There's our 2 crab pots over there. We got them set up. The last toss was a fail because the rope was all tangled. So we're gonna try this again and see if we can fill them up with some Dungeness. Here's a 3rd one going in the water. I'm gonna have you.
Should be coming off the bottom.
There we are. Now when we come back, these are all going to be packed full of legal male Dungeness crab. That's the plan. Wrap it up.
Right on, I'll get it for you. You're welcome. All right, bye.
Cool. The good deed pays off. All right, so we got a crab pot out here that was just about to go underwater with another like 12 feet of tide to come in. So we called a number on it and they lost the pot a couple days ago and they said go ahead and pull it. So we get some free crabs. We get to keep crab, right?
Oh yeah.
I mean, obviously.
I wonder what a 2-day soak is gonna look like.
Hopefully it's good.
Oh yeah.
We should just reset it. Come out and get it later when we come out and get ours. Why not?
Yeah, we could do that.
Heck yeah. We're here for the crab.
Ooh.
What does it look like?
Look at that.
Oh, we've got Dungeness crab.
Ooh, those are big ones.
We've got some big ones. You get those in the boat, maybe. Oh my God, look at that. Dude.
They're all males.
No way.
Sweet.
We might have 4 keepers.
That's awesome.
Oh my God, look at those fish. They're fish. Jeez, look at those crabs. Those are all males, and they're definitely, at least 2 of them I can see are keepers. I don't know about the other 2, but they are.
They ate all the bait too.
Check it out. All right.
You have a live well?
Yes, I do. We are gonna get it set up right now. This is awesome. Good tanks, dude.
And 100 feet of water. And
yeah, those are giants. We got 4 keepers. 2. Hey, you want some gloves?
No, no.
You ever have one of those dudes grab a hold of you?
Yeah, when I was a kid. I don't remember what it feels like.
I've seen them make fingers bleed, I know that.
That probably makes it easier.
Dude, too bad we don't have more bait. We gotta go get more bait.
Oh, they're hurting each other.
Oh yeah.
Oh, pinched off his pincher.
That's alright. Look at that. We just got our pods out and dude, that is awesome. Dude, woohoo! We're back. So we just pulled one of our pods up to get some extra bait to put in our pod that we found, and look what was in. We got 2 crabs. One is actually a keeper male, and if you look, this is the difference between the male and the female. They have the one has a narrow, what's it called, Jake? Flapper. And the females have the wide, I think it's a carapace if it's the technical term, and that's the male. So we've got another keeper. We've got 5 keepers in the box, and the female swims again. See you later, girl. Go have some babies. All right, we've got 1 limit, and we haven't even let our pot soak for more than 20 minutes, I think. So this is cool. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. We've got more crab. Check it out. We missed out, but we had to pull a pod to get some extra bait, and we had another keeper. And it was only soaking for 15 minutes, which is crazy. And now it's raining, which that's okay. We are...
It's supposed to be the best for crabbing.
This is the perfect crabbing weather, if you ask me. All right, we're right in line. I say chuck it. There he goes. There we go, perfect. All that extra rope. Thanks, Phil.
Appreciate it, Phil.
You're the man.
And Meredith.
And Meredith. You guys rock. And you're welcome. We'll save your crab pod. Dude, should we go check those 2? Lens is kind of clean, pulling up the 3rd pot that's been soaking for a grand total of 30 minutes?
Yep.
Maybe? We're gonna see what happens here. Dude, that's awesome.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
Don't need to go to the gym today.
This is so cool. Crabbing is definitely better with 2 people. 1 person to control the boat, control the camera. Oh, let's see what we got. I see crabs. I see crab.
Oh, I told you it was heavy.
Oh my gosh, get it in. That one's about to get out. Look at him. Holy cow!
Oh. Oh my. Wow.
Oh my God. Dude.
Okay, mark that spot.
Mark this spot.
What do you do?
Just click mark. Literally mark. Okay.
Wow. So we were right in between.
We hit the mother load. That thing's been out here for a grand total of
15 minutes, 20, 30 minutes?
20 to 30 minutes max. And it's, I don't know. There's a lot of males. I can see male. That's a male. That's a male. That big one in the corner is a male. That's 1 red rock crab. That's the first rock crab we've had. Dude, look, this has the salmon in it. These boys like their salmon.
They do. So
we might have to pull throw that small one back. Smaller one. That one, yeah, I think it's him right there.
So there's 1.
The rest of those are giants. All right.
I guess I'll keep the gloves on here.
This is ridiculous.
That's a male. Oh my goodness. But he's a smaller one.
He's a small.
So how many do we have in here?
It's 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So we have 1 limit. Dude, we're gonna have 2 limits easily.
Right.
Without that guy even. Because look, that one, no wait, we need 5 more.
Right.
Just put.
We'll just pluck the small ones up.
1, 2, 3,
so that's
4.
1, 2, 3.
That's 6.
6. We got 7. Monster.
Gosh, that is an absolute monster. That's a giant crab, man. All right, so that's 7. That's 8, because that's definitely a male. Oh my gosh, dude. That's 8. We can only keep 2 more. That's a male. He's trying to get out. He almost did get out. That's a keeper. If it's a male, I think it's a male. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. Where do you put this on? There?
I just go point to point.
Yeah, that's
from
the
the longest to longest.
So we get 1 more. Right? Yeah, that's 9. This is nuts. Is that a male? Yeah.
Come here, let go of that. Let go of that guy.
This is a riot.
Okay, now he's attached.
Now he's really kicked off.
I'll let him fall.
Let him Yeah. Alright, bud, you're going in. There's the...
by surprise.
Is that a limit?
So that was 10.
Okay, is that one bigger? I think that one might be bigger than the one we put in earlier. I could be wrong though. It might just look like it. Maybe it just looks like it. Delicious little dude. Alright, I guess we chuck these guys in, throw the pods in, and go in. Okay. We've got 2 limits. What are these, all males? Let's that could actually happen. There's a female. Yeah, let's get these babies back down in the water because I think we're on a good spot. Check it out. Have you ever seen anything as cool as that?
I have not.
That is one of the coolest things I have ever seen. All right, it is pouring down rain. I got to get the GoPro away. Thanks for joining us, everybody. Had a blast out here. We definitely had a good day crabbing, I would say. Best day I've ever had.
Same here.
I definitely think we blew the doors off of both of our expectations. So we're gonna get back in, clean up some crabs, and have ourselves a really cool crab boil tonight. I think that's definitely the plan. So stick around, we'll get some video of that, but this has been one of the coolest days ever. So go crabbing. Woohoo. See ya out there. All right, we made it back in. These guys just came off the ice. Thanks, Gunner. Gunner.
Take 2.
Take 2. All right, we just got in. He's gonna do it again. I can see it. Gunner, come here. Come here. Ready?
Okay.
All right, we made it back to Jake's. We have the crabs. We just got them out of the ice. That's why they're not going crazy. We're gonna start cleaning these guys, and we're definitely gonna eat some crab tonight, that is for sure. But this has been an epic day. This has been one of the coolest experiences I've ever had. So thanks to Jake for showing us around and letting us hang out at his place. And we're gonna get to cleaning some crabs. But she loves ice.
Don't let the pinchers get you, bud.
It's your nose, bud.
Oh my God, he did. He just went in and dove for the ice.
Bubbles. Yeah, he does that with Ross, so he's going after the ice.
Wow.
They're just giant. Gunner.
He's blowing bubbles.
Here, you want the ice? Here, you can have a little piece of ice.
I don't know how that guy said he was catching soft shell.
Yeah, he said he caught a bunch of soft shell. I thought that was like a dolphin.
That's crazy.
No idea. Tasty. We got a couple bags going in the freezer. We got them all steamed. We're gonna eat some fresh tonight, obviously, but the rest of these are going in the freezer, and we'll be eating crab for a while. Hopefully for a few days, or at least a few weeks. So, had a blast.